Oh.
Those hurt when they hit you. Whoa! Smooth Asher.
Whoa, Asher, that was perfect.
Whoa! He's going back and forth. You think you have enough monster trucks? Hey Asher, can you tell me what their names are?
Dragon.
Oh, I thought that was Mega Rex, isn't it?
Mega Rex.
Mega Rex?
Mega Rex.
What's that blue one?
I don't know.
Bigfoot?
Bigfoot.
Torque Terror?
Toy Terror. And Skeleton Crew.
Good job.
This one.
Oh, he's going back and forth.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. That was awesome.
Whoa! Here.
One, 2, 3.
Whoa! Did that one hit you?
Yeah, let me move my foot.
Oh, all right. Left foot. Right foot.
Good. Yeah.
Right hand.
Good job.
Left hand. Left hand. Right hand. Right foot. Oh, you're so smart.
Yeah, sure.
Whoa.
Cool. You want to try that again?
Which one's next? Oh, which one is that? That's a Hot Wheels. Mega Rex. That's Mega Rex.
That was pretty cool.
That first one like went on a roller coaster ride.
Mega Rex, Asher. Mega Rex. You got it. You got it.
Whoa! Ow! He got me.
Great, Asher. All right. Perfect.
Woo!
Whoa! I think he's gonna do some off-roading down the side there, Mom. That's a good idea, Asher.
Whoa! Whoa! Mommy's in a danger zone. Those hurt when they hit you.
faster. That was amazing. Good job, buddy.
Whoa, crash. Whoa!
Wait, Asher, we got 2 more. You do Mega Rex, I'll do Skeleton Crew, okay?
Whoa, that was a good one. Whoa!
That was really good.
Good job.
Oh,